Assalamu alaikum friends with Garden to Dining. We brought today a two kale recipe salad. It's very delicious, low calories and very healthy. So let's make a kale. We massage our kale with lemon juice, olive oil and salt and pepper, and we made a base, and then we have a yam. We roasted yam in the oven. We shredded some beetroot, and we have some oranges, tomatoes, cucumbers, and on the side some grapes. And this is a very delicious salad. You cannot stop eating that. So this is first salad I made, and I just added some cashew nuts on the top to make it more variety and healthy. So let's start the second kale salad. So we made another base with the kale, and we have this time we have some beans. We boil them and mash them, and then we have couscous, which we just went to the instruction of couscous how to make it. And then we have on the side the beautiful color shredded beet, which is my all-time favorite for salads. Then I'm adding some mixed salads on the sides to give a look, and here with sprinkles with some pumpkin seeds to increase the value of nutrition. And my dressing is very simple, which I like all the time for my salads, which is lemon juice, olive oil and salt and pepper. And just you have to dress this salad with this dressing. Is so yummy, simple dressing and very tasty. You can taste each and every veggie and fruits with the nice taste of olive oil and lemon juice. These salads are very healthy and rich nutritions. I hope you like my salads and you guys will try it. Uh, try it, and don't forget to send me a comments if you try it or pictures. Please try these salads and just send me a comments, and don't forget to like my channel if you like my salad, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the salad and wait for a new recipe from garden to dining. Thank you for watching.